Hey guys, as we all know that the crypto mining of new tokens are in so much trending and we need a wallet for that. So you don't need to get any physical wallet and you don't even need any special application because this feature is available in Telegram directly. So in this video, we are going to see how you can create and set up the complete Telegram wallet to mine the crypto on here directly. So basically you can mine the tokens wherever you want, but you have to claim it via a wallet. You need a wallet address to transfer you the amount of the tokens, right? So what you can do to set up, it's very easy. From the main screen, just go in the search bar on the top, make sure you are on the chats and simply write wallet. Now this one is the ticked one. This is the most authentic one, the last one. We will just click on here and it briefly explains what can this bot do. So we will just start this to create the wallet. And as you can see, immediately your wallet is ready and set. You can start using the crypto in Telegram. So click on open wallet now. It will show you some terms of use. Just agree and click on continue. Now it will take some time to create the wallet and show you this welcome screen. So here it says wallet in Telegram made for crypto. So click on let's go. You can send to a friend. Worldwide transfers on Telegram and instant and free, convenient to use and easy to buy. Purchase Bitcoin, Ton coin, different coins you can purchase here. So click on let's go. Now we need to set up our wallet a little bit more. So all you have to do is just click on this gear icon right here. Let me just click here. And from here, just click on the passcode and the fingerprint option here. So click on setup. Now it says that you need to protect your wallet with the passcode and finger. Obviously you need some protection. So click on enable and let me just quickly set my passcode. So let me just confirm that and let's add a recovery email. Let's continue and you will receive the code in the email that we have to paste it here. So let's check the email. If you don't receive it on the main inbox, you can check the spam folder and you might have received it there. So in my case, I have received it directly in my inbox. So let me just copy this code quickly and paste it here in the Telegram. Now you can enable the fingerprint. Now you can unlock this with the fingerprint as well. Let's enable this, enable now, and you can allow the access to biometry. And that's it. Your fingerprint is already set as a protection. So you don't need anything further. Now you can see on the top, if we go back, your wallet is ready and it will be shown on the top as a chat. So from here, just click on the wallets and it will update and it will show you like this. Now, if we want to access it from somewhere else, you don't need to go in chat, you directly need to access that. So for that, you need to go in the corner with the hamburger sign, just click here. And here you can directly see under my profile, you have the wallet option right here. Now to add crypto, you can just click on add crypto right here. And you have the option to buy with your bank card, P2P markets, or external wallet. So you can receive it from another wallet as well. So for example, you have an external wallet where you have mined that Ton coin, whatever coin. So you can just click here and you can choose the asset to receive. So for example, I want to receive this not coin. I have mined that. So click on continue. After that, you can meet the verification requirement, confirm and continue. What's your phone number? It will ask you some further process and you can share your contact. So after that, you will find a deposit address once it verifies your age and other basic details. So you will get the wallet as a QR code. Let me just show you. Let's say Toncoin, share contact, continue. It will ask you your details. Let me just quickly mention that. So verification is complete as you can see here. Now, if we select this and continue with this, daily deposit limit is 100 euros. So that's more than enough. Click cancel. And this is the QR code that you can scan and send to this address, wherever you have mined the Ton coin. You need to receive it in the Ton space. So let me just go back and just go to the wallet, click on settings, and you need to enable the show Ton space option. Now, if we go back, we have two options now enabled. One is wallet and one is this Ton space. So we have to click on the Ton space. Now you can just click on start exploring the Ton. Now you have the space ready. You can access your ton space anytime. You can backup manually or backup via email. Let's backup via email. So it will send the important details, confidential details to your email. So enter the code we just sent to that email. Let me just check the email. So let's me paste it here. And now your wallet was successfully backed up. You can find the secret recovery phrase in the wallet settings. So it will send some of the recovery phrases that you can use to recover the ton space. So click on view ton space now. Now here you have the ton space, right? So after that, you can just deposit, send, swap, earn whatever you want in your ton space. So if you want to deposit, let's say the ton space, your ton coin, just click on the deposit option right here, and you can transfer from the wallet, or you can just copy this address and send it to some person from whom you want to receive the ton coin. Or if you're using it on a particular website, you can just enter this address to transfer this ton coin. So if you click on transfer from wallet, you can send to your ton space as well. Now you need to connect this ton space with the mining platform. So for example, let's go back and let's just search here combat, hamster combat. So here is the hamster combat. Just click here, click on start. You can click on play and start. And you can click on what's new, how many tokens, thanks, what else, these all. So click on next, next, next. So just continue with all of them. And after that, you will see the main screen of the hamster combat. Just click on the airdrop now. Now here guys, first of all, you need to subscribe to their channel. Click on join and then click on play, click on airdrop. And finally, when you play the game, you should be able to see this connect your Ton wallet option right here. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can create a new wallet in Telegram. So if you want to learn more about this topic, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.